Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do an amazing juicy twist out. Yes, so I did the back of this part and the whole side, my whole right side already. I wanted to show you how juicy it looks already. And I wanted to do this side with you so that you can see like specifically what I do and how I do it, okay? So before I begin, I did use Curl's Blueberry Bliss Reparative leave-in conditioner. So it repairs, restores, protects, and conditions your overworked tresses. Formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, chamomile extract, and coconut oil. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial oils or colors. So this is the product I've been using in my hair. I actually ordered it last week, and this is a throwback for me too. My special friend put me onto this a couple of years ago, and she introduced me actually to the glue. So the glue smells like this. So it has a blueberry scent and it smells really good and fresh. So this is the leave-in conditioner. And this is the mousse that's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. It looked like it went through a lot today. But this is the Vigorol mousse for curls. They actually have like four different types of mousse. So check the other ones out. They're very, very interesting as well. And this one has super hold, enriched with argan oil. Creates super silky, shiny curls and eliminates frizz. So before this moment, right, of this mousse, I was a gel girly, and I'm not saying that I'm not anymore, but I used to do my twist out with gel. I noticed, this is my experience, of course, but I noticed that what the gel did with the twist out is like when I would take it out, like it would be extra dry, like in the back area, like the part that's like hard to see ourselves. That part I would feel like it would be dry there. So with the mousse, it doesn't come out like that. So just noticing that one difference, I'm like, okay, so for twist out for me, mousse is the better experience, okay? But yeah, I still use gels, but like I still use gels like to do high buns, ponytails, like all of that, you know? But I'm enjoying the mousse moment that I'm having. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yes, let me start by showing you what I do. So look at how much longer my hair looks now, right? Remember the shrinkage that I showed you in the last video? Look at how it looks right now. That is so crazy. Oh, and it's okay. Yes. So yeah, I was gonna say, okay, so the first instructions that I have is that you do the part wherever you're interested in. I do it like not towards the middle so much, but a little to the side. I do it like a little to the side, not too much, but it's not straight in the middle, you know? So I do that, and then I section it in four, my hair, and in each part I do 4 twists. So here are the twists on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, I do 8 twists, and I want to give you a close up on how they look. And then I did 4 over here. I did 4 over here. And then I'm gonna do 4 over here. So what I do is, so the first thing I do is put a lot of moisturizer, aka leave-in conditioner, curling cream, whatever you have. And I will definitely link all the information below in the description box of all the products that I'm using today, okay? So when I put product in my hair, of course, I'm talking about specifically like my hair because I know everybody's hair is different, but for me, every strand matters, you know? So I like to make sure that I'm putting and applying product in every layer of my hair. And then, you know, okay, good. Good with detangling. Yay. Okay, perfect. Didn't embarrass me. Okay, so, yeah, this is all that came off. I did a hot oil treatment earlier today, so yes. Good results. Okay, and then once you feel like you put enough moisturizing product, put some mousse. Okay, don't finish now, Mousse. Okay. Okay. I always like to put on the scalp first and then some more. Don't finish on me. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I think this is enough. And then just comb it through again. Make sure everything is looking good. Okay. So this is how it looks so far. Okay, sometimes I put so much product. Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks so far, right? And then you oh, I got a piece of my nail polish on my hair. Okay, so then you get a section, right? Okay, so this is your next section, right? Next section, okay. And then take everything else out of your way. Wow, I didn't want this video to be long and it's still getting long quickly. So I might do a part 2 because then after this, I have to like make sure my hair is totally dry. That's a big rule. Like you need to make sure it's very dry before you take it out, you know, take out the twist out. So yeah, so I have to completely dry it, and then I want to show you one of my favorite hairstyles in the twist out style. Okay, so that might be a part 2 video, so they won't be that long, so I could show you that, and when you know, unraveling the twist, and then show you how I do the hairstyle. So that most likely is going to be a part 2. Yeah, so when you do the twist, make sure you're doing it pretty tight, like not loose twist, but kind of like tight. Um, yeah, that's what I recommend. And yeah, you know, like I know that this natural hair journey is probably overwhelming for you, especially if you like in the beginning steps. I feel like you're probably feeling right now like, oh man, there is so many rules. There is so many rules to this natural hair journey. But guess what? It's definitely going to be worth it. And then when you try these new things, sorry, I'm trying to like, there's a mirror, a little mirror here. Okay, so yeah, making sure. So when you're parting it, okay, now I'm getting excited. So what I was about to say is that once you like do all these changes and stuff and you see like results, you're definitely going to feel like it's worth it and it's going to motivate you to continue, you know? And then what I was going to do or say after that is that make sure that you're counting like the twist that you're doing already, like, okay, I already did one in this section. It can help you like part the rest of the twist that you have left. So it can help you part everything and like, okay, there's two left with that space. So am I doing good with space wise, you know? But also I leave, oh man, I hope I'm not overwhelming you in any way. I'm just trying to give you like all the descriptive like details to my process, okay? But I leave the baby hairs for last. When I'm done with both sections, I leave the baby hairs, I do the baby hairs, and then I secure it. I'm gonna show you what I secure it with. Okay, so I secure it with this. It's something that you can press down on the baby hairs and tie it up. And then it really like makes them look like fresh and stiff and beautiful and all of that. My sister-in-law put me onto that, so I was very thankful and grateful for that. And then it's very helpful because I wasn't very good with like baby hairs. So I feel like just using that made me better and made them look better. So let me see. I don't think, okay. Now, okay. Let me see. Because I don't like for the front one to be a little bit of hair. I think that's enough. Yeah. 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 Okay, so yeah, I'm almost done with this side. Look at me trying to use a big scrunchie for that little piece of hair. Okay, so make sure that I comb it through again to make sure that the product is distributed evenly, okay? And then, yeah. So I recommend just try new things with your hair. It will definitely be rewarding and yeah, beneficial, and it'll just make you love your hair more to see like the wonders and the beautiful things you can do with it. Okay, my earring wants to fall. Okay, that's interesting. You're trying to embarrass me in front of my friends. Okay. So, put the earring back, right? And then I am almost done, right? So, break it in two. Okay. And then just try to do it tight. You see, leave the baby hairs out. They're about to get some attention soon. I just want to show you the final look. But then after that, just a beautiful reminder. Do your baby hairs, right? And also put like a headscarf on here to put these on the top part of your hair to make sure that you don't have like hair standing up here and frizz and all of that, okay? So put a headscarf for about like 10-15 minutes. Yeah, and then of course dry your twist out. Dry it out, you know, whether you're gonna do it with, you know, nature, air dry. Yeah, or you are going to get under the dryer. Whatever you're going to do, make sure that they're fully dry. Okay, look at how juicy they look. I'm finally done. They look so juicy already, right? And this is how it's supposed to look, like juicy even to the ends. You see how juicy it looks? Okay, so I'll be doing a part two for the rest of the hairstyle that I want to put you on to and that you're gonna love, because you can definitely do that hairstyle to go to like sophisticated events, like special events, or just, or just to meet up with friends, family, whatever you want, or for the holidays. I did the hairstyle that I'm talking to you about. For Thanksgiving, and I received a lot of compliments, so I definitely want to share it with you. So tune in again once I drop that video, or be on the lookout. Yes, yes, yes. So this is it for today. Yes, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it some way. I hope you learned something about making your twist out look and feel very juicy. But yes, that's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe. See you back soon. Bye.